They're a good maker tanker. You know, we've run some for several years and the build quality's brilliant. You know, I want something that's going to last, not give me hassle, and got good residual value at the end, which is what these have. They're a well-known brand and they stand by them. Simon Williams, Managing Director of SW Hire. We're based in Wiltshire. We cover the whole of the UK. We started about over 10 years ago with a muck spreader. We've now got over 250 machines, ranging from tankers, tractors, telehandlers, and a lot of plant equipment. We're employing 7 people at the moment, and we get extras in when we need them, and we use a lot of external hauliers. Customers can range from sort of small farmers to large contract farmers and estates. We can be on sort of dust suppression work, or with the farmers managing their slurry and either spreading it or moving it from one site to another. These machines cover a whole aspect of work. The build quality is good on them, the paint's good, and they know what they've built. So when you go back to them and say you need a replacement part, they always can tell you what they put on that machine and they can get you the part. The weather has a huge bearing on what we do. You know, it can change, and then suddenly the demands on us for machinery's at short notice. So that's why all our machinery's back in the yard, turned around and ready to go. So if we do get that call, it's ready and we can get it out there. Yeah, we had a lot more demand for dust suppression, so we spoke to Farrells who'd stocked some with rain guns in the past, and they had some on order. So this one turned up behind me about a month ago. So the 2200 is more site specific, so we've spec'd a hydraulic pump on there because a lot of sites won't accept power takeoffs to drive the pumps. We've spec'd the rain gun on it, so that can sort of spray water on heaps of stone and things you can't get access to. There's extra lights, and obviously being yellow, it's high visibility for site work. It's good to go on a 130 to 150 horsepower tractor on a site. We sort of got to the point that I wanted to standardise everything, so everything just matched. We could swap bits if we needed to. The customers knew that it was just consistency in what we were providing. We spent a bit of time with Hals and Major and worked out all the different additions and specs we could have and what we actually needed. We've just got standard consistent tankers now. They're all new this year, so it should be good for the customers. We ordered the batch of 2600 LGPs from Hals Southwest because they're a family-run business. Their backup's phenomenal. They keep a large stock of parts, which is very important to us. And every time we've needed them to respond, they're there and supporting us, which is what we need really. Our customers are looking for a machine that's as good or better than what they could own themselves. If they're paying for the hire, they want to make sure it's working, and it wants to be working to its full capacity. I've never run machines to a point that you're worried about the reliability. If it doesn't work, it's not leaving the yard. And obviously nowadays safety is a big factor on all farms and sites, so the whole reason of swapping the whole batch out was to make sure they're all 100% safe. We're looking for continued sustainable growth, and to achieve this we need equipment and companies that we can rely on and that can provide us with safe, well-built equipment. I can see Major being a key part to this with the products they can provide us.